Other than that, I really hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, show your love and support for my channel. And other than that, just keep on watching. Okay, so hi guys, it's Mariah here, and I'm making a makeup tutorial which I haven't made in a very long time now. It's been literally years since I filmed anything makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna be filming like a hot pink look. I'm not sure where I'm going here, but I have an idea in my head and I'm gonna kind of stick to that. So yeah, and also if you see me looking over here a lot or like glancing to move over, it's because my mirror is right behind you guys and I need to see. So yeah, other than that, let's just get started. First, I'm gonna go in with some setting spray. And this one's Ulta. It's like a tropical mist. I'm gonna spray my face with this. I already did my skincare, as you can see. Skin's already done. My skin's been pretty good. This smells really good. Okay, so brow done, brow not done, so I'm gonna do this side now. I've been taking this biotin and it's been helping my brows grow galore, like, but they're not growing like inside the lines, they're like growing this way, which is weird, but I mean, I'm not complaining. I guess I am, because it's a little hard to do my eyebrows now, because I don't know when my eyebrows look too thick and fluffy. Also, can you guys leave in the comments below, like, I redid my room a bit ago and like a lot of people like my room, a lot of people ask me questions about it. Do you guys want me to do a room tour? Like, my room's not that big, it's like a normal size, but like the way I decorated, everyone really liked. So I was wondering if you guys wanted a room tour, because I can film that. Okay, so my eyebrows are done and I'm just gonna conceal them really quick with this e.l.f. concealer brush. It is super tiny and I love that about this brush because it really gets the job done. I'm using my NYX concealer to go in with this. This is like one of my favorite concealers. It was only $6 at Khols and I was like, oh my gosh, $6 or $9. Okay, that is pretty much done for the concealer. I'm going to put the rest of the concealer on my eyelid like this, and I'm going to blend it in with my favorite brush. You'll see that in a second. So this is Japonesque, something like that. I got this brush from my job, well, my old job, Marshall's, and like, it is my favorite brush. I don't like using any other brush, and this gets the job done. It just, I don't know, it just looks so smooth and everything like that. Like, it's everything I want when I am looking for a brush. So I want to go ahead and show you this ColourPop palette that I got from Ulta Beauty, and it has a lot of pink shades in there that I could really work with, and I'm thinking about working with these shades right here. Okay, there's this palette, and then this palette was also, actually it was cheap. No, it came with foundation and everything. This is my BH Cosmetics palette. It came with a bunch of stuff, and it also has some pop-in pinks in here that I'm going to be using today. So yeah, actually I'm gonna go in with So Loved, which is right here. I feel like that's a good shade for what I'm going for today. Angel Face, which is right here, and I'm gonna pop that all over just like my lid here mainly. electric pink shade right here. It does not have a name, but this is my BH Cosmetics brush. I'm gonna just dab it. Okay, so that is pretty much the look so far, and I'm really liking it. I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and just kind of blend that. So this is already a very sparkly look, but this is my brush for my highlight, and I like using it to blend out big eyeshadow, so I'm just going to softly just keep blending this in. So this is what it's looking like. I like it. I like it a lot so far. And that looks pretty good. Next I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm gonna pop that in the center of my lid. Take the shade Lover, and I'm going to pop that into the center of my lid, this color right here. With my finger, I'm just going to go here and kind of like circle it around. Like that. Oh, that's perfect. That's exactly what I want. Now I'm going to go in with a dark purple shade, which is called Heart Eyes, right here. And I'm going to put that on my outer corner, to kind of deepen up the look a little bit. I'm gonna go in my BH Cosmetics eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my eyes. I want a really long, dramatic wing, so bear with me here. I think that looks fine. Yeah, they look legit. Okay, good enough. So just like that, bring your eyeshadow over, and then there you go. It's sharp, it's cute, and yeah, that's exactly what I want. So after we do this little cute thingy, I'm gonna come back for my lower lash line and everything like that. So yeah, I'll be right back, everyone. Okay, so right now I'm baking my face, which is what I normally do if I do a full beat. My hand is so messy and I'm scared to ruin my look with my hand. So the best mascara I have by far is the Pixie by Petra, I believe. This is my favorite mascara in the whole wide world. Okay, it's not focusing, but this is my favorite mascara alive, and it comes with a big one, and then you open up the top one, it comes with a really little one so you can do your other part of your lashes. Okay, so this is pretty much it. Let me just do my under eye really quick with this fluffy brush. I'm gonna go under my under eye, These are really dark color hearts right here. I'm gonna go into hearts. I'm gonna go under my eye. I'm gonna go in with Kiss Me and a little bit of Candy Grim, and I'm gonna go in. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love the way it turned out. It's not exactly the neatest look, but I really like the eyeshadow detailing. I love the lipstick, and the foundation kind of completes everything. I will link everything I used down below, or like the name of the items, because I'm not sure where you can get them since I've had these items so long. All I know is I got them at like the Dollar Tree, Khols, Ulta, and that is pretty much it. That's what I think. Oh, and then my mom got the brow powder from somewhere else. Lastly, I did want to put something else on before this video is over, and that is my brow gel. This brow gel is my favorite. It's the Anastasia one. The only reason why it's my favorite is because if I sleep in this eyeshadow, if I sleep in these eyebrows, I will wake up and my eyebrows will still be done. That's how bomb this brow gel is. And I do sleep in my makeup a lot. I don't know how I got clear skin, but I do sleep in my makeup a lot. My skin's not prone to breaking out, but yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I know I'm in a new area. I haven't filmed a makeup video in a while. This is my new room, and maybe I might film a room tour since I haven't done that in a very, very long time. And yeah, I'm gonna be catering to making a lot of makeup videos because right now my hair is in a protective style, and yeah, I don't want to take it out for at least 2 weeks. It's already been 1 week, so just 1 more week, or at least till this month is over. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like, make sure to hit the subscribe button to show you love and support my channel. And other than that, peace out.